Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you're not. If you are a lover of all things beauty, handbags, luxury, and fashion, you've come to the right place. My name is Cece and welcome. Today we're gonna get into the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. Now, I know there's a ton of other videos you can watch out there, but I'm gonna give it to you very straight and make this simple. It's gonna be a short, straightforward video taking you through the actual Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. I had the pleasure and honor of going with Lula West Lux, aka Lula, checking out the sale nice and early. The start of the event officially for Nordstrom cardholders starts on July 10th. Since both of us are Nordstrom cardholders, we were able to RSVP to the event to shop early. Doors opened at approximately 8 a.m. where we were given full access to the store before the mall even opened its doors to shop the sale exclusively. We shopped everything ranging from shoes to clothing to beauty. So I'm going to take you through all of the items that I think are worth your time. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to shop. It doesn't mean that you're never going to find these deals, but if you are interested in investing in a few pieces for the upcoming fall season, now is the time to do so. The nice thing about the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale and what it is essentially it gives you early access to brand new pieces that have not been showcased before. These are not items from past seasons that are now marked down and on sale. These are brand new items for the upcoming season, and you're able to score them for up to 40% off of retail. So if you're looking for those basic investment pieces, boots, Uggs, loafers, shoes, clothing, beauty, any of those items that you want to invest in for the next season, this is the best way to do it. Now, you're not going to find trendy pieces that are really going to call your attention. This is more for a basic wardrobe, a basic capsule wardrobe investment piece. So you're going to find a lot of suede. They do have great deals on designer denim, which is actually one of my favorite things to shop. Jackets and outerwear, you can find some really wonderful deals on jacket and outerwear pieces. All right, guys, today we're going to do our little outfit of the day. I'm here with Lula from Lula West Lux.
Thank you.
Thank you for inviting
dear.
me as your plus one. Dress is Commence, wearing my Hermes Osmules and my beautiful baby Birkin 30.
So we have Cezanne on top, cut from the cloth. Just purchased these actually a couple weeks ago from Nordstrom, and Ferragamo slides, and my brand new Coach Brooklyn that I just got yesterday.
Oh, we need a close-up of this Coach Brooklyn. Let's see this beauty. Oh, she is cute, and the color.
A super cute little crochet charm, which is really in right now from the Gal's Guide.
Love it. I love it. So cute. She's very spring, floral, summer, pastel beauty. We actually kind of matched. We got the memo, apparently. All right, let's dive in.
Okay.
And you can find some really excellent items in beauty. Now, in addition to shopping the sale, we did venture out a little bit and we got to look at some items in Louis Vuitton and in Bottega Veneta, which I'll include at the end of this video if you are interested in seeing some luxury handbag, designer handbag goodies, some of which I tried on, including the brand new Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 Soft, which I have to say I fell in absolute love with. Sabina, which I'll link her page here, actually bought the item. She ran out to her local Louis Vuitton and purchased it on a whim because she fell in love with it, and I can see what all the hype is about. So stay tuned for the end of the video where you'll see close-up footage of me trying on those bags so you can actually see those pieces in real time, including the Bottega Veneta Jodie in the color fondant, size small, which I'm absolutely in love with. This bag has been living rent-free in my head for so long, and I'm wondering if I should really pull the trigger. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video, which is really focused on the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. We're gonna dive right in. In no particular order, I'm gonna flash up today's footage so you'll see as we shop through the event. We started off in the shoes section. Now there is a wide range variety of different deals on shoes. Nothing that I really fell in love with. There are a few which I'll include in the link section down below. I'm gonna include an entire Shop My page dedicated just to the anniversary sale and some of the best picks that I think are worth your time, so you don't have to scour the website and go hunting and looking to see what is the best deal. I did all of that hard work for you, so just check out my Shop My link down below where you can shop all of the items that I think are really worth your time and money, some of which may or may not be showcased in today's video. But in terms of shoes, they do have some really great suede pieces. Again, these are investment items that are going to stand the test of time. They're not trendy. They're going to be classic pieces that you can invest invest in and wear over and over again, which is what you want, because essentially if you're spending the money, you want to make sure you're getting your cost per wear. There are a few items in the sneakers section. I did see some loafers as well as some boots and UGG pieces as well. I think great time to shop your Uggs, your Birkenstocks, because those items rarely go on sale, especially if it's the new highly sought after piece that is releasing in the fall. They did have some new items that may not be part of the designer sale, but Now, getting into beauty, there are some really great pieces that I found on sale. They had some Jo Malone, some Charlotte Tilbury. They did have a great deal on the Dyson Wrap full system. They have also a few other hair tools. And again, I'm going to link all of these in my Shop My, so you can shop them all there directly. But some really great items and sales in beauty that I think are worth the splurge, particularly if you are looking to stock up. The nice thing about stocking up, while you don't want to overbuy and then have items sitting in your vanity for months and months or years, as long as you don't open the item, you leave it closed and sealed, it should have a longer shelf life. And you can always check the expiration date or expiration time frame on the back of your beauty products. Typically, you'll see a little sign with the opening of the product and the number of months that it's good for. That is as of the date that it is opened. Le Labo, as an example, does a really good job of doing this with their fragrances. They always say that the expiration date on their fragrances is 12 months from the first spray. So once you open up that bottle and you spray it the first time, it's only good for 12 months after that first spray. However, as long as it's sealed, closed, and not sprayed and kept outside of sunlight and stored in a clean, dry environment, it should last much longer. Now, of course, check with each individual brand, but just wanted to add that disclaimer out there. In terms of beauty, lots of great deals. I'm going to include the ones that I think are worth your while. Now, getting into clothing, I personally think that designer denim, this is the best time of year to invest in designer denim. Designer denim rarely goes on sale, especially if you're looking for the highly sought after pieces. Mother denim, Paige, Pistola. They had some really great items on Veronica Beard. These are designer pieces that are worth the investment, and again, rarely go on sale. These are going to be great for fall, and this is the time where you want to start building on your fall wardrobe. Getting back into suede and touching on shoes in particular, there's going to be a lot more suede that you're going to see. Suede is coming back. It's here to stay. There was a beautiful suede jacket that I saw, which I'll feature as well. I'll flash it up on the screen. In addition to the suede jacket, lots of suede loafers. loafers, and there are some cost-effective versions that I saw that are by Sam Edelman. So I'll include them not only in my Shop My, but I'll flash them up on the screen for you guys here. Really beautiful chocolatey brown suede loafers. Those are going to be a classic investment piece. You definitely need a pair in your wardrobe and in your collection. It's going to be a staple throughout all of the fall and winter months. In addition to clothing, outerwear. We did see some really great outerwear pieces. They did have Barber. I myself have invested in North Face jackets for my kids. A great time to purchase for them because it's going to keep them warm throughout the winter. In fact, that's a reminder because my boy is leaving for college. I do need to get him a nice warm winter coat. Where he's going to be, it's going to be cold. So now's the time to invest. Blazers, again, another one of those items that you want to invest in. They did have some really nice activewear as well, but personally, I think activewear is one of those things where you can skimp and go the more cost-effective route. Lots of great options on Amazon that compete with the likes of Alo Yoga and Lululemon. So personally, I don't think you need to waste your money on activewear unless you're a professional athlete or you're working out rigorously every day and you want to have some investment pieces. Of course, totally get that. I myself do the same. I do have a few Alo and Lululemon pieces, but for the most part, you can get away with using your Amazon pieces and be totally fine. So investing, again, outerwear, shoes, beauty, designer denim, blazers, jackets, a few dresses. They did have a couple of pieces by Farm Rio. Nothing really worth mentioning, but otherwise I think that really wraps up our video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to include those clips that I mentioned for you guys visiting the Louis Vuitton and Bottega Veneta store, after which don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Do be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video with me. And until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.